Hello and welcome back everyone. For this video I'm going to show you how I made my light up LED sign for the shop. Let me get this off the wall and apart and we'll get started. Okay, welcome back. I got it off the wall. First off, what I started with is I had some tongue and groove wood left over from another project. I glued them together, sanded it nice and smooth, made it pretty. I got this off of Amazon, sign that you can have custom made, and everything is kind of made off of that shape. So first thing I did is I cut it about 1.5 inches bigger, cut it right at the edge, smoothed it up. Then I came back and added this 1/2 by 1/2 plywood strip, the same size as the emblem. Glued it down, got it where I wanted it. Then I came back and from here out I painted it black, left this natural just so it'd show up better. Then I bought these LED lights off Amazon, just mounted them all around, and you can trim those to the length you need, and routed the back side out for the controls. You can see the 3 pieces or 4 pieces of wood I used. And then I bought some of these threaded inserts to screw down the top piece with. Put them in there, drill my holes all the way around. And then I bought these little hex-headed shaped bolts just to make it a little prettier, and just put them in there, screwed it down, and you have a nice little sign. Lights up. It's operated off of the app of the phone, so you can turn it off with your phone, turn it on, and just mount it on the wall. And something just to customize your shop area and make it personal. And I guess that's it for this. If you have any questions on how I did it or any comments, just let me know. And hit that like and subscribe button, and see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.